Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me.
Good morning from Dubai. First time in daylight. We have settled already. As you can see right over here, the view is crazy. It's insane. First time. It's your second time, Yusri.
Yes, it is.
Yourself. Hey guys. I'm with Yusri, one of my homies. We lived in Amsterdam as well. We are starting the new journey right now. It's January. We're actually on the way to Bali. So this is just a stop for like a few days. I think we're here 5 whole days, 6 days, something like that. And then we're moving forward to Bali. But it was on the way, like Dubai was on the way, and I had the plan like a long time ago already that I wanted to visit it one time. As you can see right over here, the buildings are so tall, it feels like you're in 2030 or so. It's very modern, it's crazy. We arrived yesterday at 4-5 p.m. So it started to get a little bit dark already. But Mohammed, your cousin of Yusri, picked us up, showed us around a little bit already. So we saw the Burj Khalifa, went to the fountains, Dubai Mall. We actually saw a lot already, but I'm ready to explore a lot. As I said, like we're in January right now, so it's the beginning of the year. It's a very busy part of the year, so we're not able to explore a lot or do crazy stuff or something, but we're trying to like combine the work with exploring the city these days. So I will try to bring you a little bit with it. And right now we're going to the gym, so let's go. Back from the gym. It's actually a very nice gym here downstairs in the apartment complex, so very nice to have it close to the apartment, because when I'm traveling it's very hard to get used to new environments. So you need to build structure. Where is the gym? Where are the nice places to work, focus, etc. Right now it's my first day here, of course, but I've built like a setup so that I can work here. I know where the gym is. But for example, right now it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I need to fresh up and have some lunch, grab some lunch. And you're losing time on finding where the right spots are to work, where the right spots are to grab lunch, for example, grab dinner. So I made the commitment right now that in the mornings I will do deep focus, deep work right over here. Then go to the gym in the end of the morning, then fresh up, and the afternoon and the evening are to explore and go out to grab lunch, work in the city center, shopping, whatever, just to explore a little bit. But of course, like I said, it's a very busy period of time in my business right now, so I don't have a lot of time to explore, etc. So I try to combine it a little bit in the evening and in the afternoon. For now, I will fresh up, do some less work, and then we will go to the city center, to Dubai Mall, to grab lunch, explore a little bit, and to find a right spot to work, etc. So see you right there. Alright, of course it's winter, but we didn't expect that this in Dubai. It's raining, cloudy, all of it. But tomorrow the sun will be shining, hopefully. But this we didn't expect. We didn't left the Netherlands to see rain again. Now we go to the Dubai Mall.
Turning up in the fountain entrance.
actually crazy. Dubai, all water on the streets. The city is not built for rainy days like this.
Kept the galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I pay, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there.
Usually went to the barber, and after one of our friends goes to the barber, and when he's fresh, he gets a smack on the head, and the hardness of the smack depends on how fresh he is. Was it hard or not?
Hard enough.
I don't know.
Hard enough.
Hard enough.
So actually, we're waiting on a client of mine. They're packing us up. Go to a restaurant and eat. It's gonna be a hell of an experience again. I mean, Dubai is such a wonderful place where you can just network, talk with everyone around you. Everyone has a capital.
Yeah.
It's
It's actually crazy. It's crazy what Dubai can like bring. For example, yesterday we went to Damak for some information about investment. They had a day, an exhibition where you can take a look at all of the projects that they were doing, and we met another Dutch guy. He was 24 years old in software. It's just you meet the craziest people over here. And it's actually funny that every day we see people working, and tonight we will meet with one of the clients of Yusri. He has rental cars here, so it's just very nice that you can see what it can bring here in Dubai actually. And the view in the evening is even more crazy than in the morning or during the day. What?
brother.
What?
Since we have to wait like 20 minutes before our
You want to do the last round of the push-ups?
the last one. Then
Right, so right now we decided when we started going to travel, etc., all of it, we decided to do 100 push-ups when we wake up and 100 push-ups before we sleep. But today we're doing 500. We're already on 400 right now.
400.
So we're gonna do the last 100 to hit the 500.
Yeah.
So let's go. You're first.
My body is sore, but we're gonna get through this.
All right.
Let's go.
Nice. We're doing like 20-20. Like I do 20, you do 20.
Yeah.
And then we repeat it 5 times. So in 5 minutes we do like 100.
Nice. Do you feel like soreness in your muscles now?
No.
Not?
No. But I'm not feeling tired because I'm unbeatable.
To all the people who are watching this video, 500 push-ups in one day is not a joke. You can hear it, I'm out of breath.
Let their jealousy creep in. What you eat with, the girls that you sleep with, what you talk with, walk with, speak with. The first to the motives and last to the meetings. All I know is how to work, bruv. Start off as a worker and that's just how it works, bruv. When I was trying to work, niggas never tried to turn up. But when it's time to turn up, everybody turns up. And I don't know what I was thinking with the tweets.
All right, 6 days in Dubai. Tomorrow we will be leaving. First of all, 1 week is not enough. 1 week in Dubai is not enough. Not enough to explore, see, and do all of the things that you can do right over here. And the crazy part of Dubai is not only that you see this craziness right over here, that you see the luxury, but it's also the people. The people are just so nice. They are so friendly, so helpful, and everywhere you come, like it doesn't matter if it's a restaurant, a store, on the streets, people are just, it feels safe, it feels good, and I think it's a very good place, especially if you see how London, Amsterdam, all of those great cities are changing, and you're not feeling safe in the evening over there. But right over here, it's just everything is really great. Like the rules are good, you feel safe, people are nice, all of it. And also people working here. I've met a lot young guys, young people right over here, and I think the crazy part about Dubai is not only all of that and all of this, but it's also the opportunities that it can bring based on the people you can meet here. The inspiring young people. I've met a lot of guys. Yesterday, for example, a guy already sold a business, 24 years old. It's crazy that you can see that all of those guys are based here, traveling here, or finding opportunities here. So that's why I say, like, 1 week is not enough. There are so many people that you can meet right over here. If I go to a lobby in my hotel, I see a lot of guys working, building web shops or into software or whatever. Everyone who's here is here for a purpose. So this week didn't feel like a vacation or so. Of course, the weather is nice and you can search for very great places where you can come to rest and enjoy the sun or enjoy the water, enjoy the beaches. But when you go out, you see a lot of people working, grinding, and people are having meetings. People are doing, it's like a very nice economy right over here where people are with a purpose. They are not only here for vacation, actually not all of them, but a lot of people are here for business. And that's for me the best balance there is, because it's not only luxury, not only business right over here, but for example, here's a very big mosque as well. People are religious here. People have their faith on number one. It's not only luxury, it's people are just so nice, so friendly, and the balance is very good between luxury, between having fun, grinding. So I think I will definitely go back here, that's for sure. Maybe earlier, maybe later, but I think I will come back even this year already. That's 100% for sure. But the guys, the people that I've met here just in 1 week, it's crazy. It's crazy. I think this is also a very good moment to explain why I left Amsterdam, because I just lived there for 1 year. I was born up north in the Netherlands, so that's 2 hours away from Amsterdam, in a small village. And I really saw that when I left that village, that place where I grew up, my mindset, my goals, the belief system that I had, it changed a lot, because the big city, that's where things are happening. That's where business opportunities comes up. That's where you can meet a lot of more people. And that this year, that just 1 year that I lived in Amsterdam was just the craziest year in my life so far. I'm young, I have a business that's not on a fixed location. I can go wherever I want, I can work. Of course, if I have my laptop and if I have a Wi-Fi, good internet connection. But nowadays, you can find that on almost all of the places. So I decided to go and travel for 1 year, just a minimum of 1 year. I don't know if it's just for 1 year, if I will settle on a other place after that. I have no idea, but for now, I'm a nomad traveling from Airbnb to Airbnb. I have not a home because I've stopped my rent in Amsterdam as well. So right now I'm homeless, actually, but I like it. Like, I think because I'm very young, I don't know what my place will be later on, where I will settle myself. I just know that I want to grow, develop myself, build my business, get to know a lot of crazy, inspiring people, which here is crazy, like I told you. But and of course, like if you change locations a lot, it really impacts your focus or your balance or your structure, because for example, in this video I've talked about the gym. You need to find a right spot to work out. You need to make a new setup where you can work. You need to find the right spots to grab lunch. You just need to get used to new locations. So of course you need to switch it more, and maybe it impacts your growth or your focus. But on the other hand, I think the people you can meet, the new inspirations that you can have, are much higher for me now than working on one location. Because why would I work in Amsterdam during the winter when it's raining all day and cold and there's nothing nice to do besides of working? So for me, what's most important are my goals. I'm aiming high this year. I want to create a year that's even more crazy than last year in Amsterdam. I will bring you with me. So if you like this video, if you're curious for what's next, tomorrow I will be flying to Bali. So I will be in Asia during the first quarter of the year. Then I will go back to Dubai maybe, but everything is open. So I will bring you guys with me, and just very important to know, but some people are thinking that I'm selling courses or trying to sell you something because I'm creating these videos, but I have literally nothing to sell you. I'm just doing this because I like it. I'm just doing this to reflect on my videos, to watch it back, create memories, share it to my loved ones, share it to you, share it to be an inspiration to younger entrepreneurs who are having a vision, having a dream. Because I think 2-3 years ago, I was looking at guys who are doing things that I'm doing right now, and I'm not telling you that I made it. I'm far away from saying that I made it. I'm on my journey, building. I've created a little bit of freedom, a business that is going well, but there's a lot more that I need to do to create real freedom. And I decided to make and create these videos to bring you in the journey that I started right now, this year, to make insane growth. So if you like it, make sure you're subscribed, leave the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.